up to the Overlook Trail view just to see the view of the canyon. So we're at the top of this lookout. That's San Timoteo Canyon there in the distance, and they're working on the riverbed, trying to make a path for the water that we'll hopefully get. We've had quite a bit of rain recently, so the mountains are nice and hills are nice and green. Really enjoyable hike. So we've made it to the end of the trail. This is Alessandro Boulevard here. And there's nice little benches here, some information. So we'll just turn around and go back to the car. It's about 3 miles one way. And it's pretty flat. We took a little hill up to the viewpoint, but that was the only hill that we ran into. Hope you're enjoying it. Alright, we've made it back to Beverly's Pond in the parking lot. It was a nice little 6-mile hike, and there's not a whole lot of people on the trail. Like I said, it's pretty flat. Hope you enjoyed this hike. If you did, just please hit the thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell notification if you'd like to see more of my videos. I hope you're having a great day. Thanks for watching.